Well, good morning. This is John. Here we are in beautiful Temecula. Nice, clear, cool day towards the end of May 2024. So this is the 92 300E. And last videos I got new tires, did all new brakes on the car, bled the system, put new brake lines on, bled the system, put rotors on the front. So far everything's working really good. Ceramic pads are doing real good. This was about 3 weeks ago I did it, and there's no dust on the rim, which is great. I don't have to clean those as much because those are a pain in the butt to clean. And anyways, today it's gonna be a quick video, but I have the old brake lines here, and we're going to open one up and see what it looks like on the inside. This one's not too well. Yeah, it's starting to, you can see, kind of cracked right there. And these will go bad. I mean, you know, car's over 30 years old, and these are the original ones. You can see some cracking. And these will go bad and start restricting flow, so you don't get a full, power brake. It kind of restored the power brake feeling on that car. But anyways, yeah, I just want to put this video up and show you what's inside of one of these old brake lines. All right, so we got on that model there, most of them, there's a short one right here, and then there's a long one, which is the front. And looking on the inside, this one I split open. That's what's on the inside right there. I can get a good close-up. It's not too bad. I mean, it's, getting a little worn. There's just, I just cut this with a razor knife. It's not like steel belted or anything like that. And yeah, this one was pretty nasty. You can see that. And I guess the worst part of these the restrictions on these will be like right where this crimp is. From what I've read, you can get rust built up under these, and it starts cinching the hose down. It makes it not flow real good. Good way of testing yours is if you crack open the bleeder and the brake fluid starts dripping out of it, then you don't have any restriction. But after 30 years, you want to kind of get it to stop. I'll put a wire through here. I've already done this, but this one's pretty clear, but it's still kind of restricted a little bit. There, I got it through. Some of these longer ones, though, see, I can't even get it through. Should be able to stick a wire through there. It'll go through. Not very easily. see if I can see if I can do this. I don't know if it shows. Yeah, see, I get light through there, no problem. They're really stiff. I can see a faint amount of light through there. But yeah. Okay. So that's what the inside looks like. It's kind of like a smooth wall, you know, and then you've got this, I don't know what they used, what kind of material that is. But yeah, if yours are cracking like that. So when you're renewing your brakes on one of these older cars, I highly recommend inspecting those brake lines and flushing the fluid out. It'll really help out with your stopping. Anyways, this is John. I'll see you next time.